Hi, in this video we will learn how to draw a line in Excel. You can draw lines of different colours, sizes and styles such as solid, dotted or dashed. First, go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and from here select the line shape. Now you can draw a line anywhere on the worksheet. To draw a perfectly straight line, press and hold the Shift key while dragging the mouse. You can also change the angle of the line while holding Shift. By default, the line appears very thin. To format it, right-click on the line and select Format Shape. From here, go to Line Options. You can increase the thickness by changing the width, for example, from 0.5 to 5. You can also change the line color. And from the Dash Type option, you can select dotted, dashed, or other styles. To adjust the length of the line, click on it and drag the ends. Holding Shift while resizing keeps the line straight. To learn more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.